Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Before we go home after walking, this is continuation in my video.
And if not, go back.
Still more than 6 o'clock, so we have to eat first. And we are looking in the Chinese restaurant because, of course, as Filipina, we love to eat rice, and gusto ko na kumakain rice cake. Lami mo ang rice, so only you can find with rice in the Chinese restaurant. So kita may Chinese restaurant diri, so go with me in walking so that you can also see the place because it's a different place. So that is we are continue walking. They have also a market with this one. Going there, that is a market. They sell fruits, everything. And then, and now we are near in the Chinese restaurant. Before we go home, in the hotel where we stay, we eat first. So we are now here and we order. So this is the food that we order.
I don't know, but I try.
Before you enter, you have to show you that you are vaccinated. Inside in the store. The problem is they don't give us a spoon, so murag lisod jud siya kaunon. Lami ra ba kayo na sudan? Lisod kay siya.
May labo?
Kaunon kay stick man.
May labo.
Ilang gihatag pagkalisod. And I'm showing you also in my TikTok how to, I don't know how to use this stick because nakahulog gid siya sa pagkaon. So dugay mahurot kay mahulog man bisan sa rice. Tanawa ra gud magkuan ko sa rice. Lisod. Kung pwede palagi magkinamot, magkinamot siya og kaon ba. Katagak gyud siya. So parang galisod jud ko, wa man sila naghatag sa amo og kutsara. So gakatagak gyud siya niya. Dili biya gid ko use nga maggamit og stick. Kutsara biya mas maayo palagi kinamot na. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. God bless everyone.